Well, here is the software that I'm going to make a tutorial about. Is the Openshot Video Editor. It is a very useful software about creating videos, edit videos, add photos together in a complete video. You can use filters, you can cut images if you do not like, you can blur faces, many things. Come on, let's start. How to add a video, how to import a video in our Openshot Video Editor. I will show you a very easy way. You can go to the folder you have saved your video or in the desktop. I have it in my desktop. I choose the video with my mouse and just I drop it inside the line here, the timeline. The photo also drag and drop inside your software. Okay, now I have dragged and dropped twice because I had already done it before, so I will delete them now. Remove clip with the right button of your mouse, remove clip, remove clip. I will keep these ones here, this one here. Okay, I have a wonderful video with pigeons. With this arrow, if you push with your mouse, the video is playing. You go forward, backward, and pause. Common utilities. Okay, this blue like balloon here is a very useful to drag it with your mouse. When this cross appears, you can drag it to all of the videos in the timeline with your mouse. You can choose the video to move it wherever you want to leave it. You can move the picture also. Here you see the time, the minutes, the seconds. How long does it take for the video to begin, to start? How long does it wait until the photo will come? Oh, no, we do not need to wait so long, so just leave them all here. The video is very small, so 30 seconds is enough. Here you see some effects that Openshot Video Editor has. Filters, bars, blur, these are transition. Let's see the effects first. Effects, bars, blur, brightness and contrast, chroma key, color shift, crop, deinterlace, hue, alpha mask, negative, pixelated, color saturation. Here is a drop-down menu. There are 2, shift and wave. Okay, 2 more. Let's use them and then I will show you the transitions. Let's open the video. Why this window is black? The window is black. I have selected my video. You see the red line around my video, but I selected the video, but my screen is black. This means that this blue balloon over here must come back because there was nothing to show. Okay. Let's change this picture by using one of these effects filters. I will choose the negative one. I drag with my computer, I select with my computer, and I drag it on the icon, and I leave it. You see, the filter immediately changed the photo. Let's change the video. Move the balloon to the video. Check the negative filter and leave it on the video. You see the differences with the same way the filters work. Now, transitions. The transitions are, it has a variety of transitions here. Circle into out, circle out in, fade, wipe button. You can read here, it has the functions. It has too many transitions, fantastic transitions to give you an interesting video. Okay, let's choose some of them. I will choose now. I like this one. Okay, I will drag and drop it on my video. Now, you see here the transition. Let's play the video. Let's add the transition to the photo, to the picture. I have to move the balloon back again. Don't forget it. You see the white spots, the transition is coming. The picture will appear now. If I want the same transition to add it to the video also, the only thing I can do is with my mouse choose to enlarge a little bit the transition. So start from the beginning to see the differences. Okay, with this way you can use all the transitions. Let's try one more. I have to delete this transition. Move it with the right button of your mouse, remove transition. Let's try this one, Bing Los Sounds. Drag and drop it. And fit to both of them. You see how fantastic it is. Let's go to see the result. You can choose whatever transition best suits your needs. Here with this button, you see how you can how long your time you want your video to play. How long? Okay, let's choose to have it 3 seconds. No, we want more. Okay. 30 seconds. Let's play. We can set the seconds in our video. Okay. In the timeline, we have some buttons here. With this cross, this green cross, you can add a track. Press across. You can add a track. With this petal snapping enabled, Okay, if we want to save our project because we have created an amazing and astonishing and fantastic video, go to File, Save Project As. What is the difference with Save Project? First of all, we choose Save Project As. Why? Because we have to give a name. Name your project. I want to name it my first Openshot video. My very first Openshot. I choose where I want to save my video and then save. The next time I'm going to save a video, I go to File and Save Project. Because it doesn't need anymore to give a name again. Only if I want to rename my project, I will choose again the Save Project As. That is the difference. You can export your project as video, the most common. You can export EDL or you can export XML. You choose. If you quit, the program is quit. It is the same function like the X, close. Okay. The other two buttons your Openshot software has are the same and are the most common in all softwares, the minimize and the maximize. If you are a beginner, the minimize means that your software comes down here, and if you maximize, your window is opening and getting maximized. Okay, let's go to edit. If I do something in my project and I don't like it, I want to undo the move, I go to edit and undo. I undo as many times as I want to correct things that I don't like. Undo, undo, undo. If I do a mistake with undo, I redo. And I redo again. I can clear history. I do not want to clear something now. And here is the preferences. The preferences, a new window is opening where you have to make some choices. There are general preferences, preview, autosave, catch, debug, performance, and keyboard. With general preferences, you can set the language. Here it is automated set it in default. You can choose language. I will leave it to default. Default theme. The default theme is Humanity Dark. You can set it to no theme. But I like it, Humanity Dark. Why to change it? Image length. You can choose to set the image length in seconds. The volume, Blender command, advanced title editor. It's okay, the general. Preview. You can preview the default profile. You can choose one of these. I will leave the ones that I already have. You can playback audio device. I set it to default. You have other options also like Windows Audio speakers or Windows Audio exclusive mode, direct sound or direct sound speakers. Choose whatever best for you. I will leave it to default. Default audio sample rate. Here you can choose from 44,100 to 40,000, 80,000 to 96,000 or 192,000. Choose. I will choose this one. Default audio channels. Choose one from these. The stereo is fine. What about autosave? You can enable autosave with this stick. Enable autosave. If you want to disable it, just with your mouse disappear it. I want to enable autosave. This means that my project, when I work on my project, it is autosave. This means that every 5 or 10 minutes automatically saves my work. So if the electricity cut off, then I have my work saved, or for any other reason. You do not lose valuable things. Autosave interval. You can set the autosave interval 3 minutes, 5 minutes. I will leave it to 3 minutes. History limit 15. Recovery limit 30. You choose. Here are some arrows you can use. Cache. Cache mode. Memory. Memory or disk. I select memory. Cache limit. You can set a value here. Image format. Choose one of these. Scale factor and image quality. Debug. Know this now. Know this for now. Performance. Keyboard. You can set the buttons you like. Here, if you want to delete an item, you press delete. If you want to delete an item, you press backspace. You want to change it? Write something by your own, but you must remember it. Here are the most common combinations we use. Close. And window is opening, saying restart required. Please restart Openshot for all preferences to take effect. You made some changes over here, and you have to restart your Openshot software so to see the preferences to take effect. I do not want to restart my computer because I didn't do any changes, so I leave it. Okay with edit. Let's go to title. Here we have a title, an animated title. You want to add the title? Let's add a simple title, not an animated title. Here are some beautiful titles, ways of writing a title, and the effects the software gives to you. Let's use these bubbles. Here, file name, line 1, line 2. Let's write the title. How my project, the title of my project. My first project is my title. Line 1. Try. Try. Or you may copy the file name, paste, to line 1, my first project, and the subtitle. Not responding. The software is stuck, so be patient. Okay, you see here, line 1, my first project, and the subtitle, try. Okay, you want to change the font. Choose the font of the letters. Choose the effects, the font style, and the size. Okay. Text color. I don't like this blue color. I want a red color. Choose the red one. Press OK. At the background color, oh, it's nice. Okay. you see the differences. You want to use an advanced editor. You have to install Inkscape to use this function. What is Inkscape? Inkscape is a vector graphic software you must download. It is an open source software also. You can use it in your, you can download it in your computer and install it. Inkscape. I have it. I will show you which software is this. So, and then press save. This is my title. If I want to use an animated title, before going to animated title, I will show you the software of Inkscape. I have it in my, here, this is the Inkscape. We will wait a little so to open. It takes a few minutes. Let's continue, and when the Inkscape is open, I will show you how to use it. Now, if we want to add an animated title, well, with your mouse, check animated title. Another window is opening here. Animated titles powered by Blender. This means that you have to download Blender. Blender is another software for 3D animation. You can download, it is an open source software, and you can download it to your computer and install it. And then you will be able to make animated titles in your Openshot video editor. Let's choose this effect over here. And a window is opening, Openshot. Blender, the free open source 3D content creation suite is required for this action. I do not have the Blender in my computer, so I am not able to do animated title. So this window over here informs me that I need Blender. Now, we are going to find Blender to download it now. So, okay, cancel for now. Let's go to the internet to find Blender to download it. Okay, let's open google.com. Here we see when it is ready. Now it runs. Okay. We want to download Blender. So, Blender, open source, software, download. Blender open source software download. And then press enter. Download blender.org, free and open source. Let's go here in this link. This is the software we want. So, download Blender 2.82 for Windows. With your mouse, download Blender. This is a fantastic 3D animation software, fantastic and open source. You may use it for free, and when, if you want in the future, you can make a donation to the software for support. Here you see down here on the left corner down the Blender is coming, we download this. You see the computer here has a blue line round. When it finishes, the download will be complete. We have the megabytes here. It has now downloaded 29 megabytes. We must wait until it downloads 130 megabytes. Well, it is almost done. 130 and 130 megabyte. The software of Blender is already downloaded in my computer. Let's go to find it where it is downloaded. I make all of them, I minimize them. I go to my downloads folder. I have it over here. And it is saved today. Here is the date modified for today is 4, so I will find it quickly. I will choose it, and first of all, before I open the software to install it, I must be sure to see it, to check it with an antivirus program. Maybe maybe the software that I have downloaded is infected with malware. I need the protection of a software, of an antivirus program. I have a software that is called Avast. Well, I check the software that I have just downloaded. With the right button of my mouse, I scan selected items for viruses. This is my antivirus software, Avast. Maybe you have another antivirus. Choose yours. I wait a little bit for the antivirus to give me the okay that the software is free from viruses. Once more. I open my antivirus program to see important update available. Update now for maximum protection. Okay, I do not want to update my antivirus for the moment. So it is okay. I can install it. Double click on the icon to install it in our computer. A window is opening, Windows installer. It is preparing to install. Blender setup. Welcome to the Blender Wizard setup. You choose here Next. You must accept the terms in the license agreement. If you read all this license agreement, you must then check this box and then click Next. Next, install. You wait now until all this bar over here fills with the color to show us that it is full installed. It takes a few minutes. You must wait. Be patient. Blender is a wonderful software. It is easy, open source. If you want to make a donation for support, it is accepted. But it is open and full-featured, and you can make fantastic, amazing 3D animations. Complete movies. Well, as long as we wait here for the Blender setup to install Blender, I will show you the Inkscape that is already open. This is the vector graphic software with this icon. Here you can you can design many things. You can make logos, you can make graphics, you can make fantastic things. Now I'm not going to show you any tutorial about Inkscape, just I show you which is the software that is in perfect combination with Blender and with uh, Openshot video editor. That's it, I will leave it for the moment. The program asks us if we want to make changes to the computer. We select yes, make some changes, and then start updating component registration. If you do not want to install it, you may cancel. Okay. Copying new files, what the software needs for the installation. Other softwares take longer. We can delete this one here. It is the download, so we do not need it anymore. Just wait. Well, it is completed the Blender setup wizard. Then click Finish. Here is a shortcut from our Blender in our desktop. We can also open our program by going to Recently Added from your Windows programs and choose Blender. This is the Blender, our desktop now here. Let's choose next. Here you see a central cube in the Blender software. You can use all these features, all these tools in the menu bar, so to create amazing 3D objects. Today I'm not going to give you to make a tutorial about Blender. Let's finish the video Openshot video editor, and in another lesson I can make a video tutorial about Blender and Inkscape. So let's leave it for the moment. Let's go back again to the Openshot video editor. We have finished the title and how we can make an animated title. Now we have the Blender. Let's do the animated title. Yes. Let's choose this dissolving text. Double click on the icon. Openshot Blender, the free open source 3D content. It has again the same window. Why? I have installed Blender. Okay. it needs for the computer to restart, to take for the Blender to for the functions all Blender functions to work properly. You have to restart your computer. Now I do not want to restart the computer because all the job we have done will be lost. So cancel for the moment. We will leave the animated title for the end. Okay. View toolbar. It is checked, so we can see the toolbar. If it is unchecked now, it disappeared because I have unchecked the toolbar. View toolbar, you can see all the tools here. View full screen. If you check full screen, all the screen of your computer until app, you see here, it doesn't have the minimize, maximize, and close button. It fits all your screen. If you want to come out from this, press ESC. Control ESC. Sorry. You may go down here with your mouse and choose Show the Desktop. And then open again. Double click. View full screen. View full screen. If you choose it again second time, it comes in the first position. Views. You want a simple view. Choose simple view. This is the simple view. You want the videos and the photos here, the videos, the audio files here, the images here. It is the simple view. You may use the advanced view, the one we had before. You can use freeze view. It is freezed. You want show all? Let's choose the simple view. To learn all the tools, how we can use them. Here, let's delete the animation. Remove transition. Take the video. We can change track to the video. Track 5, track 4. Here we have many combinations, many tracks you can. Okay, you can change. We scale the transition to fit exactly with the video. Move a little bit here to make it smaller. That's it. Okay. Well, every software is difficult and becomes more easy as you practice a lot. Openshot software is the first time I use the software, and I show you exactly what I learned. I show it to you uh, to help you learn this beautiful software and very functional and may give you interesting videos. If you need help, choose help. It has contents, tutorials, report to bank if problems has. ask a question, translate this application. If you want to make a donation, it has a star over here. And whatever you want to learn about Openshot. So, I hope you liked my tutorial. I hope you forgive my mistakes. I'm not perfect in everything, just I try to getting better every day by practicing the softwares. Computers are amazing, fantastic. I like learning computers. I hope you also do. So, subscribe if you like to my channel for more videos and come back soon for better tutorials. Bye.